Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing June Empties. Now, I'm filming on what must be one of the hottest days of the year, and forgive me if I'm a little on the glowy slash dewy side, but I'm here today to go through what I've just finished. Now, basically I finished all my moisturizers at once, which is a catastrophe. So, what am I out of? At the minute I'm out of a Hydrate, which is something that I rarely let happen, so shame on me. Such a good, versatile daytime moisturizer, absorbs in a jiffy, great under makeup, doesn't clog pores, doesn't dry out and leave you patchy when you're using actives, which for me is such a big deal. So I like it because it almost primes under makeup, creating a really smooth surface. And it really helps manage the dryness that you experience from things like retinoids when you first start as well. So always have that on me, no fragrance, a winner, but I'm out. So when I go out of the Hydrate, I then end up using creams I might sometimes use more typically in the night time. So at the minute I am out of Avène Tolerance Extreme cream, that's the cream. There's also an emulsion, which is really nice. And it's part of the fragrance and preservative free series from Avène, so it's got these funny applicators which dispense loads, which is my only bugbear with this system, but it means that they can afford not to use preservatives, which is a godsend for sensitive redness prone skin. Gone. So Tellurian Reach from La Roche-Posay, another one of my kind of drugstore staples, again hydrating but not shiny making, and again great to be used alongside actives, also gone. So what are we left with? Avène Tolerance Mask, yeah, another one that I reach for whenever I'm a bit dry and parched. Maybe I'm a bit stressed, maybe I've overdone my retinoid, that happens quite a lot. And I have recently gone up in strength with my retin-A to 0.1% again, which might explain why I'm out of all my moisturizers. So, time to stock up, Dr. Bunting. On the subject of hydration, completely out of Nuxe Rêve de Miel, the lip balm that I love, like literally not a drop left in it. So time to restock on that. I just love that one. Really enjoy the sensation on my lips, and it's quite matte glossy finish, if that isn't a oxymoron. Love that, and we'll be getting more. On to makeup. Sisley. This has been going on forever as a product, but I will replace it because it's so good. This is their Sisley Phytosone Under Eye Concealer. It's my staple. Enough pigment, enough bluey tones to neutralize, orange tones to neutralize under eye blueness, which is my main concern in that little inner hollow when I'm tired or, you know, just not looking after myself. This is a bit of a miracle in a tube. It is expensive, I know, very premium purchase, but a little really does go a long way and it lasts forever. Doesn't tend to settle into fine lines, which I think is so important with concealer, but it kind of fills and smooths slightly whilst also neutralizing blue. It doesn't have that unfortunate light reflective kind of panda in the headlights type appearance, which I just don't like. Finally, mascara. I'm completely out of Chanel Le Volume, which is, I think, just their straightforward really black one. I love this. Really good as a lengthening and separating mascara. And when you first get it, mascaras are always the best in the first couple of weeks that you use them, right? They just are. It's really lush, gives real luxe density to lashes, doesn't have those annoying little filaments that fall off and create little black snowflakes on your cheek as the day progresses. It doesn't dry out. And I will be repurchasing that too. So those are my June empties. What have you finished this month? Love to hear more. Bye for now.